Here at Masternomics, we focus on two things: personal development and professional development. The Effects of Manifestation course is one of my favorites because it deals with true manifestation. And when I'm talking about manifestation, I'm talking about showing someone how to get exactly what they want, how to bring it from their mind and have it here in the physical world. So in that course, we expound heavily upon visualization, concentration, meditation, and we show people how to manifest. And those are three things you need to manifest. You have to have concentration, visualization, and meditation. And so in the course, we show people how the mind works. Most people don't understand how the mind works. So we go through how the mind works and how we have to have images. The images come in our head, and then we can take what's in our head and project it. We make a projection, and then it manifests in the physical. In the course, you'll find out that everything that you see in this physical world started in someone's head, right? So once you grasp that reality, you can start to manifest things. So in the effects of manifestation, it is what is the effect of what I'm manifesting. So we deal with people in their lives, and a lot of people are struggling. So it pushed me to make the course. A lot of people are struggling because they don't know what they want. So if the mind doesn't know what it wants, it's bouncing back and forth. You know, it could be, should I leave my wife or husband? Should I stay? Should I stay on the job? Should I start this new business? So the mind goes back and forth. The hardest thing to learn to do is to corral the mind. Well, it's hard if you don't understand how the mind works. So we get into what's the conscious and the subconscious of the mind. So at Masternomics, everything we teach and do starts first inside. We teach there's two creations. There's an internal and there's an external. But it has to create it in the mind first, right? And so through the Effects of Manifestation course, we deal with that aspect, the first aspect being the spiritual aspect. And so even in creating your business, the essence of it is still spiritual. That gets into the principles and how you're going to create the business and things that you want, so on and so forth. So an Effects of Manifestation course is all about you. We're not creating businesses, we're helping create business owners. We show you how to identify the things that you like and the things that you don't like. And then we help you pull it out of your mind, because it's hard to say, what do you want exactly? How much money do you want to make exactly in 1 month, right? We do everything from a month-to-month standpoint to corral the energy, and we see exactly where we're at. So we say, well, this is what you're making, and this is what you want to make. How can we get from there to here? It all starts with the mind. So we use specific techniques. In the techniques, and once you get the course, you'll see we use various techniques. Of course, I'm not going to give it all to you right here, but those techniques are designed to transform you. What they're doing is they're shifting your mind to take you from going, you might be an employee, so we can shift you to being self-employed. You might be self-employed. We can shift you to being a business owner. And then for those that want to get to the highest realm, which is true investment. And investment is not just money. Investment is the energy. And so we can take you from the lowest level of income to the highest, the investment, all by using the mind to get the car you want, the house you want, the woman you want, the man you want, whatever it is you want, you can have it. There is no limitation. The only limitation that you have, the only one now, is the limitation that you place upon yourself. Everything is here waiting for you if you truly want it. And that's what we teach in our Effects of Manifestation course at Masternomics.